Hey, welcome. This is my cabin. I'm Jeppe. I'm the assistant cook on board. And yeah, come in. I would just like to show you a few items that I always bring on a trip. My headphones for listening to some music, and computer for that as well. And camera for taking pictures of the beautiful landscape. And a book to read. And yeah, earplugs if your cabin mate is snoring. John is luckily not so bad. So yeah, we share the cabin's 2 people, so the space is a little cramped, but we get by. Yeah. We have the showers. Swan brushing her teeth. Showers and toilets and down here we have the laundry room.
Hi.
Lena and Laurence doing the laundry. Alright, come. Yeah, so this is the biggest room on the ship. It's called the atrium. It has a lot of different purposes. We have a workshop over here, for example. But we also just have lots of storage space, and we also have cabins and toilets and so on. Also, some of the scientific equipment is stored here, about to be packed. Yeah. And this is our lounge. This is where we can go to relax, watch a movie, read a book, or be on your computer after work. And yeah, it's quite cozy. Has books, coffee machine. Yeah, so this is the aft part of the atrium, and here we have the sort of gym where you can get some exercise. We don't move around so much on the ship because it's a small space, so here's where you would go to get a little exercise. Yeah, where would you like to go now?